Okay, it's TechMBB here, guys, and I'm gonna show you how to get tweaked apps and paid apps for free, or hacked games for free, or hacked apps for free on iOS 12 and iOS 13. No jailbreak, no computer, and this is the newest method out there. So first of all, you go to iOS Ninja, you hit install now, and then once it installs now, you go back to general, you go profiles, you go iOS Ninja, you hit install right there, and we got iOS Ninja now. You open it up, and it's okay. I'm gonna go back to the home screen for you guys, and then it should work like this. If you want YouTube++, you just hit install there. Should begin installing, and then the next method is this. It's Top Store, and I'll both have these in the description for you. And you can add this to your home screen by going add to home screen right there, or you can use the browser. It's your decision, really. But I'm just gonna go through that thing on my home screen here. So whatever you want to download. So say I want, like, I don't know, it's like apps, Coco Movies. It's a new thing out, and I want Coco Movies or something. And then say I also want to watch like channels for free, like live TV. You can get this one. It's called Channels. Pretty good. I've used it before. Or you want something hacked, like a VPN or a Spotify++. Right there, you just hit get, hit that back out, and it should be installed. And this is YouTube right here. This one is YouTube. You see me holding it. That was YouTube++. It's almost done, so I'm gonna wait until it's done. And it looks like it's gonna take a while, so I'll probably speed this up for you guys in the video.
They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break.
Okay, guys, it looks like it's almost done, and then I'll show you guys it works and it opens perfectly. So yeah. So it's done, and then you're gonna have to go back. General profiles, and then you're gonna have to go into one of these. You're gonna have to trust it again, then you back out, and then you can open it, and it works perfectly. This is the hacked one. You can download videos and stuff, and you get no ads or something like that. But yeah, you can see here. I'm not actually gonna sign in, but if you click on a video I'm at, probably can't play that, but and then you just go, let's see, is there a download button? Yeah, download right here, and then you can save with ++, and then you can do 1080, and then we'll download it. Now will be my downloads. So let's go right here, and you can see it's downloading. This is the end. I don't want to get copyrighted for this, so I'm not going to replay it. And then you got Coco Movies 2. But I'm not going to do that because it switches my screen. So that is the video, guys. That's how you get tweaked apps and paid apps for free. And I hope you guys liked the video. And I'll see you.